Listening to music with external speakers has been a regular thing for us for a couple of decades now, but technology and science have enhanced the usability of the speaker. Speakers are now smart speakers through the addition of a processor and artificial intelligence, AI. You guessed it right, we're talking about the famous multi-purpose AI embedded speakers from Amazon, the Echo Smart Speakers. All the versions of Echo speakers are high, and Amazon is continuously upgrading the Echo devices. Today, we've selected 3rd generation Echo Dot Smart Speaker with Alexa for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The 3rd generation Echo Dot devices are beautifully designed round-shaped smart speakers for making your home smart. The 3rd gen Echo Dot speakers are designed with fabrics, and they are, as usual, compact. This latest version of Echo Dot comes with a better quality speaker compared to the 2nd generation. If you like stereo sound, then pair it with another Dot device. The music gets better when paired with several Dot devices around the house. Amazon is continuously upgrading the ability of Alexa, and the 3rd gen Echo Dot comes with the most advanced version of Alexa that recognizes your voice better than before. Just like any other Echo devices, Echo Dot 3rd Gen would let you use it as an intercom in the house, play your favorite music, make an announcement in the home, track your health, and many more. The 3rd gen Echo Dot comes with better connectivity devices, and it can maintain strong signals with your home router with its improved Wi-Fi circuit. Controlling your smart devices using Echo Dot has never been easier. The 3rd generation device is more competent at handling your smart devices at home or at the office. To protect your privacy, use the mute button on the device, and the volume buttons enhance the beauty of this cute Echo device. Setting up an Echo Dot device is simple and takes only 3 steps. Plug in, connect to Wi-Fi through a mobile app, and start using Alexa. The Echo Dot comes with one 1.6-inch speaker that produces excellent sound and loud enough to enjoy music. The device has a dimension of 3.9 inches by 3.9 inches by 1.7 inches and a weight of 300 grams. Just perfect to fit in a small space in your room or wherever you want it. It's time we investigate the user reviews about the Echo Dot 3rd generation device to find out what users are saying about it. The Echo Dot 3rd Gen has got 4.7 stars out of 5 stars, which suggests people love the device. And we're sure you too would like the device for its fantastic voice recognition ability, Alexa integration, and better sound quality. Here are some comments from users. One person has given 5 stars and wrote, "The Echo Dot is an extraordinarily useful and versatile device, one that becomes more useful all the time as Alexa's skill set expands. The 3rd generation model has a great new look." Another person gave 5 stars and said, "I love my Echo Dot. I have 4 of them and they really help make my life easier. They can control almost everything, lights, locks TV, music, thermostat. It hears you almost all of the time, and I've run into very few issues with it overall." That's all we have on the Echo Dot 3rd Gen Smart Speaker for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.